model, 2019 MAN Tge 5.5 ton twin-wheeler runs and drives excellent, needs AMOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 134,889. Engine, 1968 cc DAWA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, air-con, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.